What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to apply formula to entire column in Google Sheet. Here you can see I have multiple number and I want to apply a formula. First of all, select a column where you want to apply your formula. I want to apply here, so click this and then type your formula. Like I want to type for equal sum first bracket and select multiple column. Those are you want to add for formula. I want to select 1 and 2 column, I mean B2 and C2 column, and then type for first bracket to close the formula, and then click to enter. So you can see formula have been applied. Now I want to apply this formula also for all the numbers. First of all, click here and double click to this drop option. So all the formula have applied. So you can do by holding and go down. So that's it. It's a very simple process to apply a formula in Google Sheet. I think this is helpful. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.